Hey, this is John on the white team, and this is a YouTube video for the white team on this project that we're doing. And the project is the organizational leadership, and I want to brief you guys on where we're at real quick. First of all, things have changed since I've read this exemplar answer, which is our class final example. So I want to explain to you what we've got going here now with this APE and the drilling thing. John Bishop and I worked late last night on this, and I want to lay it out to you guys so you can see it. What we've got here is where APE is now and where we're trying to get to, which is called the DFS. And I think the DFS is referred to in the case as the desired future state. Okay, so this is the desired future state over here. What we've got here with APE on this side is the organization, and the organization, its core is to provide new ideas quickly to pile driving methods using innovation technology and expertise. That's what we do now at APE. We provide innovation technology and expertise to the pile driving world. For example, if you move over here, what we're trying to get to is to provide new ideas to the deep foundation construction industry using innovative technology. So that's where we're going. Now we're going to go back and look at what we've got going here. We figured out that our stakeholders are our customers, top management, employee, and suppliers. We figured out what our core processes are. On the support side, we have email, our website support, 24-hour parts and service. We hire only superstars, which is a shock to me because I didn't realize that we are actually the Yankees of pile driving. We hire nothing but superstars, which is embarrassing to admit, but that's true. That's what we do. Unique manufacturing supplier relationship. We do what Toyota does. We engage our suppliers jointly. In fact, our suppliers are under our roof. We actually have our suppliers leasing part of our buildings. And then we do the training and support. On the core side, pile driving consulting is our number one thing that we do. You call us, we'll tell you how to do it. Down from that, we take that information from the customer and we tell them, look, we can invent, design, and innovate to do better for your pile driving project than any of our suppliers. We do not, like a Safeway store, pick something off the shelf and say, here, go do this pile driving job. We actually take the information on the job site and invent and design and innovate pile driving equipment according to the customer's needs. And then our third thing is we go out and we implement it. That's what we do. We implement it. Here's our problem. People, structure, culture. Our people are very specialized. They're committed. They're old guys. All of our stars we hired that have 25 years worth of experience. They're all highly tenured, military-minded, great problem solvers. Our structure, we got a $50 million rental fleet. We've got training. We've got a huge infrastructure. And we have a hierarchy management structure. Okay? On the culture side, our employees are highly empowered and highly committed to pile driving, which is our John Bishop and I have identified as this is where we're going to kind of focus on this project, is this cultural issue. In fact, John Bishop at the moment and I both agree that this is where we need to focus to change APE into what we're going to try to do, which is go from pile driving to deep foundation construction. Not just drilling, but all things that are involved in deep foundation construction. That's where we're at to this point. That's what the purpose of this video is to brief you as to where we are. Thanks. Let's go.